Yow, 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 yow. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray Ferraro. My name is James Sobalski. We are so excited to bring you all the action here on EA Sports tonight. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
And we are about set to drop the puck on this one. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Here's a chance on the doorstep, and makes the routine save. Quick feed to Eller. Misses high.
When you shoot it from that distance, it's not necessarily to score, but it's got to be on the net to create some chaos.
No question about it. Big play inside the defensive zone. Eller's the victim of a hook penalty coming up. Whistle blows the play dead. Goaltender can't even get out. And he's going to get 2 for hooking on the play, Ray.
He should. I mean, he gets his stick out parallel to the ice. He gets it across the player's midsection, and that's kind of a red flag for that penalty.
Team Denmark sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
What a great opportunity to get the first strike on the board. Scoreless game, you go on the power play. You want to attack this. You can change the way the game looks in the next 2 minutes.
Gets it out of his own end. Denmark's gained possession along the boards. Moves it over to Jensen. Now a quick pass to Boddicker. With the blast. Answers it with an even better save. Oh, and another big stop. Czech Republic's got it across the line. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Team Czech Republic's going to play it from the corner. And loses possession after a solid hit. And now he tries to get it across to Nielsen. From against the wall into the open ice. Hammers it from the point. Beautiful glove stop on that one. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. And now he moves it quickly to Eller. Takes the feed at the point. Huge play in his own. He's all alone with the goaltender. What a stop by the goalie.
Yeah, he looked really confident out on top of the crease, followed the shooter, and made the stop.
And it's a quick pass to Ehlers. And he takes a shot and makes the save.
Anderson's the last line of defense, and he has to come up big for his team again. The 2-on-1 yields a really good chance, but a better stop.
Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Takes that pass back at the point. Grips it and rips it. Nowhere for that shot to go through. Dishes it to Kasha. Here's a short pass to Bjorkstrand.
You put this kind of pressure on, eventually they can't chase you anymore. Now he's got room to carry the puck.
Quick pass to Zaka. Carries it across the line. And he slides it quickly to Gudas. Shuts him down. Save made by the goalie.
Anderson's able to get out and make the save on that grade A chance.
Czech Republic's got the puck along the boards. Along the half wall with the puck. Good defensive stop with the poke check. Reads it perfectly. Look out, here's a chance. Up along the wing. Here's a chance. Back to the point it goes. Too many bodies in the way. Works it across to Verana. Verana's got it in the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. good save in close.
Jensen's got it along the wing. Oh, just inches wide.
Doesn't miss it by much, James. That's a really good shot, but he got to get it on the net.
Hurdle's got it against the boards. Team Denmark's got the puck along the wall. Passes on over to Boddicker. Boddicker's going to play it against the half wall. Centered out in front. Knocked away. Moves it to Palat. Slides it across to Krejci. Sends the pass over. And that one's stopped. Denmark's got a hold of it against the wall. Team Czech Republic's got possession here in the offensive zone. And too much traffic in front blocks that one. Nielsen's picking up steam. Looks to set up at the point now. And now it's grabbed by Pasternak. Moves it to Voracek. Shot stopped by the goaltender. Up the neutral zone now. Moves it around along the half wall. Slides it back to the blue line. Here's a shot, and he comes up with a big-time save on that. And now it's over to Pasternak. Slides the puck over. Frolik's got the puck. Back to the blue line. Hammers a shot. Reaches out and pokes it away. Stopped by the goaltender. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. Oh, it just gets a piece of it.
That's a pretty good scoring chance. That's a chance the shooter thinks might go in, but the goalie turns it aside.
Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Frolik's got it into offensive territory. Handles the puck at the point. Denies him! Big stop by the keeper. Slides the puck near the front of the net. No, sir!
Oh, he followed the puck really well there. A couple of good stops.
Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Pokes the puck away. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. Moves the puck more to the middle. Sends it down low. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Mrazek's taking it from his own end. Hurdles won a big draw on their own end. Taken along the wall by Šimik. Palat's carrying it ahead. Moves it quickly over to Hurdle. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Czech Republic's got a hold of it along the wall. Takes the feed at the back end. Quick feed to Šimik. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Grabs the puck at center. Puts it on net. Not even close.
Not close to anything. The net's been the same size for 100 years.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Here's an opportunity, and that shot gets caught in traffic. Along the wing up the neutral zone. And he slides it quickly to Eller. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off. Here's a short pass to Zaka. On the attack along the boards. Battling for it along the boards. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Kasha. Looking to make something happen along the boards. We got a penalty coming up here on the play. And there's the whistle. Let's get the call from the official here. Officials pretty much reacted once you heard the ooze from the crowd on that one. Boarding is the call.
The game has evolved to the point where You can't really hit anybody that hard anymore on the boards. You have to angle them in.
They'll go back to work on their special teams.
You gotta have a short memory on a power play. You haven't scored yet tonight, but that can't matter on this one. Get the puck back to the point, start moving it around, and get people converging at the net.
Here he is from the slot. Oh, what a stop with the stick.
He's sharp on this one, out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
And the defenseman will head off as the puck is sent in deep. Puck moved over to Jensen. Quick pass to Russell. Good check, frees the puck up. The backhand, he scores!
Now the power play comes through. They move the puck nicely, and they're able to capitalize on the extra man. Really effective power play there. They move the puck around, and they're able to find him right in the middle of the slot.
Team Denmark's got the game's first goal here in the opening frame.
Pretty tightly played game so far. Not a lot of chances. Not a lot of errors on either team, but now we got one. Maybe the game will open up.
Takes the pass. Moves it to Palat. Palat's got the puck along the wing. With possession along the wall. Now a quick pass to Verona. Here's a shot. Scores! We're all tied up!
And now their bench has a little more belief as they've evened up the score. When you get into this position, that puck's got to be off your stick in a hurry. You don't have much time to think about it.
James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. And play resumes as the puck is dropped.
Scored by number 18.
There's the whistle. Offside is the call.
Radko Gudas, and by number 13, Jacob Rana. Time of the goal, 14 minutes, 4 seconds.
Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Moves the puck along the half wall. Makes the save with the glove. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Back at the point, they set it up. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. And the pass is picked off. Along the half wall with the puck. Tries to tuck it in.
That's close, James. The goaltender ends up beating the shooter to the post. As that looks like it's a goal, but it's shut down.
Moves it quickly over to Frolik. That's blocked. Slides the puck across to Eller. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Team Czech Republic's gained possession along the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And now he moves it to Faxa. Handles it along the blue line. Faxa's got it in the offensive zone. Gets a paddle on it to make the save. Late goings of this period. We are all tied up in this one. Christensen's won it off the faceoff. Czech Republic's got the puck along the boards. Picked up along the wall by Palat. And he was slowed up. Hooking looks to be the call as the official's arm goes up in the air. Time for the officials to hand out the judgment. Hooking's the call. This is what they kind of call the lazy penalty these days,
yeah,
right?
It is, but really the problem is you're beat and you panic and you're trying to help. And the more you help, the worse it gets. Go sit down.
And he certainly dug himself a hole there. Team Czech Republic's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Their first power play of the night. They've worked on it, and it starts with the face-off. Win the draw, start moving the puck quickly before you shoot it.
Czech Republic's got the puck along the wall, trying to get the puck out of his own end. And he's able to move the puck across the blue line and out of harm's way. Takes the feed, and now he angles it across to Krejci. To his teammate! Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. A little banging and crashing now. Quick feed to Pasternak. Centered out in front. Here's a backhander. Stopped by the goaltender.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Denmark's got possession while undermanned. Here he is all alone, right in the open ice. Huge stop by the goaltender.
Oh, he read that perfectly. Excellent position to make the stop on the breakaway.
Moves the puck. Nice pass. Denies him with the save.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Here in the late goings of the period, we got a tie game. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Rips it from the blue line. Strong penalty-killing execution as both sides are now back to even strength.
Really good pressure by the penalty killers there to keep this game tied. They tie up the power play in pretty nice fashion there.
Tested there, but rose to the challenge. Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. Bonker's getting called for tripping.
As soon as the hands go up when they start to plead with the ref, you know they're guilty.
Another special teams opportunity for both sides as the man advantage unit is back to work again. Less than a minute to go here in the opening frame. Shot from the point. Oh, makes the save. That was a rocket. And manages to clear the zone. Team Czech Republic's got the puck. And now he tries to get it across to Krejci. Voracek's got it along the wing. Snaps one from the slot. Stopped by the goaltender.
Flashes the leather right in the slot on a difficult chance.
And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. As the first period comes to an end, this one's still a dead heat. 1-1 is where we sit.
And fans, don't forget to find those draw boxes throughout the arena for our signed jerseys, which we will give away tonight.
40 minutes of regulation still to play. We're looking forward to it. Hopefully you are too. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Second period set to go. Team Denmark's penalty killers have their work cut out for them here, but a nice start to the period as they win the draw.
Voracek's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
We're still in the early stages of this period. It's all tied up. Krejci's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Kempny. Big-time save on a big-time shot. There's another stop.
That's why a goalie can never relax. He makes one stop, now he's got to be sharp to make another.
Looking to break out here on the power play. Krejci's got it across the line. Lets it go, and there's the save. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play if you're not sure what's going on. Freeze the puck.
Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Now over to Christensen. Stopped by the blocker. They fight for it along the boards. Strong defensive effort. Takes the feed. Slides the puck to Boddicker. Pass back to the point. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Quick pass to Voracek. And now he moves it quickly to Kempny. Takes the feed at the point. Denmark's grabbed a hold of the puck. Right in front. Oh, he'll be shaking his head with that.
Yeah, you're not going to get too many cracks from right in the slot. And he misses the net.
Terrible. Puck grab by Eller. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And it's a quick pass to Ronick. Moves it around along the half wall. Team Denmark's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Here's a shot, just wide. Czech Republic's got a hold of it against the wall. Takes it across the blue line. Grabs it and rips it. Standing tall with the save. Denmark's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Team Czech Republic's got a hold of it along the wall. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And a little physicality ends that threat. Receives the pass. Moves the puck down low. Moves it to Verona. And he slides it quickly to Schimmick. Nielsen's moving the puck through his own zone. Puck picked up by Boddicker. Moves it quickly over to Nielsen. Knocked away. Over the line they come. Moved out in front.
Wow.
Scores! And the deadlock is broken.
Well, what a crushing goal to give up. But the other guys worked hard for it. They pressed the play, and now they've got the lead. Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.
Czech Republic's hard work pays off. They've gone up by 1 here in this second period.
Even though it really shouldn't matter, it does change the way you play the game. Now that you're in the lead, you can dictate the pace of the game.
Team Czech Republic's got possession at center. A chance on goal. A rocker off the blocker. And now it's over to Gudas. Takes that pass back at the point. Hammers the shot. What a stop as he puts out the fire. Gets a hold of the puck behind the net. On the attack along the boards. Right up front. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. That was a good-looking chance, but he turned it away. Another stop by the goaltender. Here they come on the attack. Puts the puck on net, and he comes up with it. Team Denmark's got control of the puck. Puts the puck on net. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Quick shot. What a save. He'll probably feel that one tomorrow.
Wow, did that sound like it hurts. You crash somebody against the boards like that, and there is nowhere to go.
Czech Republic's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Taken by Ronick. Puck set across the blue line. Here's a blast. Can't get it to go. Denmark's got it in their own zone. Carries it in. Centering pass. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Oh, what a save in front. Puts it off the post.
Denmark's still going to have to grind away here. They trail, and they're looking for something to go their way. That didn't help.
Gets a piece of it with the glove. Team Czech Republic's looking to break out. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Kasha. That's 3 consecutive goals.
Yeah, the goalie keeps looking over to the coach saying, why am I still in here? 3 straight for them. Man, if you've watched the game, you've seen this play so many times. How many times does it happen? A great opportunity at one end, the puck turns around, and moments later, it's in the other net.
Czech Republic's now gone ahead by 2 here tonight, and you know what? They've been the better team, Ray.
I don't think that's up for much debate at all. They've had the majority of shots, the majority of possession, and a comfortable 2-goal lead.
With possession along the wall. Moves the puck in. Outstanding save and a huge opportunity. Bjorkstrand swooping in on the attack. Denies him with the pad. Quick pass to Krejci. Through center along the wing. And that one's broken up. Icing is called, stopping the play dead.
Oh, this looks like it's in the net. Wide open, but he can't finish because the goalie makes a desperation save.
Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame. Team Czech Republic's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Solid hit on that play. Eller's lugging the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. And the defenders come up with the puck. Carries it across the line. Right in the slot. Misses the side of the net.
He doesn't make a bad shot, but it's got to get on the cage here.
Totally. Czech Republic's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Good read by the winger as the 2 centers tie up. Sends the pass over. Slides the puck over. Glove save, and an easy one at that. Team Czech Republic's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Nielsen's won the draw. Puts it on net. Makes the save. Slides it over with pace to Palat. Laying the body. Puck sent over to Hurdle. Hurdle's got it against the boards. Here's a shot. Denies him on the play. Team Denmark's got it in their own zone. And I think he's seen enough because he stops the play when covering up the puck.
Oh, guys are going to be bent over trying to gasp for breath. They'll be in favor of that move. I wanted to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
More than half the frame has been played here. Crowd's been into this one right from the get-go. It's 3-1. Hurdles won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Oh, he misses the net.
Not by much, but I guess it really doesn't matter, right? If it's not on net, it can't go in.
Fair point. In front and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. Czech Republic's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Move to the middle. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Team Czech Republic's got the puck in their own end. It's a 3-on-1. Sends it over. Oh, what a chance.
Oh, James, he tried to get rid of that in a hurry. He just misses.
Jensen's going to play it against the half wall. Right to the middle. And that one's broken up. Frolik's got it along the boards. Frolik's got the puck. From the blue line. Brilliant save. Read it perfectly. Russell's got it on the offensive end. Puts it to the front of the net. Gives them nothing in front. And another stop.
He's right on it. 2 consecutive saves. Tough ones at that.
Here's a chance right out in front. The glove making it look easy on the play. And he gains the zone here. Sends a pass over. Takes a slap shot from the point. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Picks off the feed.
The coach is encouraging them to keep taking chances with the puck. Try and make up the deficit.
And that one's turned away. Quick feed to Jensen. Along the half wall with the puck. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. That's just a great heads-up read at center ice. Handles the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Uses the force on that hit. Oh, that's a good hit. Puck scooped up by Pasternak. Takes it across the blue line. Snaps one on net. Denies it in front.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save. That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Just here in the late stages of this frame, been a pretty good offensive display, at least for one side. 3-1 is where we sit. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Here's a shot and makes the save. And now he moves it to Ehlers. Mrazek's going to cover it up and get a whistle.
Even with the traffic starting to close in, he had to grab that when he did.
Czech Republic's up for good reason. They have been the more complete team offensively, which is why they lead late in the second. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. With the stop. Moves the puck. On the attack along the boards. Grabs the puck in the corner. Back to the point it goes. Moves across the point. Nice pass. Takes the feed. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Verana's moving it ahead. Fires one on goal. Comes up with the stop. Team Czech Republic's generated a lot of quality scoring chances, which is why they lead here late in the second. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Russell's got it into offensive territory, and he makes the save.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of them.
Czech Republic's been the better team tonight, and they lead as a result late in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Here's a short pass to Hurdle. Denied by the goaltender. Receives the pass. Handles the pass from along the boards. And he slides it quickly to Schimmick. Rister, big time stop. Passes it to Russell. Dished on over to Boddicker. Boddiker's got it in the offensive zone. Sends the pass over. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Turns it away.
Sharp reaction save.
Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. They've got numbers. Lets it fly. Great glove save. Team Czech Republic's up for good reason. They have been the more complete team offensively, which is why they lead late in the second. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. We get a whistle, and they'll do it all over at the other end.
Yeah, of course, the team that iced the puck isn't able to change players, a rule put in a couple of seasons ago.
In the final moments of this period, 3-1 is where we're sitting. Fans being treated to a lot of offense thus far. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And nearing the final minute of the second. Knocked away.
In the second period.
From the back of the cage with the puck. And down he goes as the puck goes free. Over the line they come. Looks to set up at the point now. Here's a shot with the stop. Slides the puck over. Oh, he rocked him. Quick pass to Gudas. Now a quick pass to Kasha. Here's an odd man rush. Lets it fly. Oh, couldn't finish the job. What an excellent opportunity, Ray.
They worked their way into good shape. He's just not able to beat the goalie.
And that'll do it for period number 2. One more period still to come. And it's a 3-1 game is where we're sitting right now.
Be sure to get next year's season tickets now at this year's locations and prices without paying extra for the first 3 rounds of the playoffs. This offer is available now. Don't miss your
And we'll be right back for what should be a very intriguing third.
Section 144 on the concourse.
And we are just moments away from the start of the third period. Here we go. Put up or shut up for both teams here in this third period. We are underway. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him.
Czech Republic's outplayed the opposition tonight, particularly offensively, as they lead it early in this third period. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Takes the feed from the wing. Into the middle of the neutral zone. Slides it back to the blue line. Blast from the blue line. And that goes off a player. Comes up with the stop.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
Great reflexes, another save.
Really sharp, never loses sight of the puck to make the second save. We'll get another look at that scoring chance. Look how quickly the puck is shot, but the goalie makes the save anyway.
Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. It's a 2-goal lead we're looking at with the score 3-1. Takes a bump but still hangs on to the puck. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Whacks it into the offensive zone. Picked up along the boards by Ehlers. Move to the middle. Scores! 1-goal game.
Now they put themselves in a position here to come all the way back. Down 2, it looks like a long way to go. Now you're just one shot away. This drives coaches crazy. Everybody's staring at the player behind the net. He's only dangerous if you turn the net around. The dangerous guy's in front of the net. Oh yeah, he's the guy that scored.
Denmark's third period deficit suddenly doesn't seem so insurmountable now.
You can almost see the difference in the bench and the body language. They know they've got a chance.
Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. With possession along the wall. Angles it over to Nielsen. Here they come on the attack.
Time of the goal, 1 minute, 21 seconds.
Sends a pass over. And now he angles it across to Russell. Glove save! Quick reflexes. Team Czech Republic's turned good defense into good offense as they lead it early in this third period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Blocker save! Pins him against the boards as they battle for the loose puck. Picking up some steam at center ice. Shot! Gets in front of it. And now it's grabbed by Russell. And he coughs it up with the pass. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Puck grabbed by Russell. Inside the defensive zone, moving the puck. Moves it to Russell. Here's a shot denied by the goaltender. And he sends it across to Verona. Handles the puck. Big save. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Sends it deep inside the offensive zone. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. Stopped by the goaltender.
Somehow the shooter got loose in the slot, but the goaltender's equal to the task. That's a good save.
Lots of time left in this period. It's a one-goal hockey game. 3-2 is where we sit. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. And that goes wide of everything.
Oh, go big or stay home. A shot from the point. He's going to the shelf. He just shoots it over the net.
Here they are on the attack. Easy peasy right there by Anderson. Team Denmark's got a hold of the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Takes the pass. Zaka's carrying it ahead. Here's the pass. And makes the save. Denmark's gained possession along the boards. Christensen scooped up the puck now here inside his own zone. Takes the feed. Back to the blue line. Puck picked up by Frolik. Gets the puck back onto his stick. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Into the offensive zone. And now he tries to get it across to Jensen. Blocked in front. Carries it in. Moves it quickly over to Faxa. Shimmick's got it along the wing. Slides the puck down low. Along the half wall with the puck. Quick feed to Ronick. And that one's broken up. Up along the wing. Handles the puck at the point. Moves the puck. Stones him in front. Moves with the puck in the corner. Scores!
Well, the game back to level now. Anybody that's had a lead, the lead is gone, and now we're evened up again. Oh, he tried to make a desperation save there, but he gets beat. Not much else he could do.
Team Denmark's made this must-see viewing down the stretch here, all tied up in the third.
They've had to work hard to get this game even. Now we'll see what they can do as it's a new game.
Moves it around along the half wall. Here's a rip. Blocked in traffic. Here's a short pass to Voracek.
7 seconds.
Nice pass. Voracek's got it against the boards. From the opposite point. Takes that one right in the logo. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead. Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. We are all tied up in this one. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Steps into all of that. Bumped off the puck. Tries to feed it over to Bjorkstrand. Slides the pass over to Voracek. Voracek's going to play it against the half wall. Hangs onto the puck. Scooped up along the wall by Krejci. Handles a sweet feed. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Slides it diagonally to Ehlers. Here's a shot. Oh, that just goes wide.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net.
Lets it go. There's the go-ahead goal, and we have a new game.
Taking the lead now, you control it. You push the pace, you push the other guys back on their heels. Oh, shooter puts his own rebound away. That's a nice play. But man, the goalie burped this rebound out, made it way too easy for him.
Czech Republic's up by 1 now here in this third period.
You don't have much breathing room, but I guess it's better to be in front than behind. They'll want to continue to try to forecheck.
Kempney's got the puck. Pass right on the doorstep. Great save by the goaltender. Just real smart positioning on that one.
Yeah, he's defender's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
Gets it over to Boddicker. Across the point. Right on the doorstep. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Quick pass to Boddicker. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Slides that one right across the blue line. Moves it to Boddicker.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
Denmark's got the puck along the wall. And now he moves it quickly to Russell. And it's a quick pass to Boddicker. What a steal in his own end. Takes a hit, but still hangs on to the puck. And a great save. Along the boards, they battle for the puck. It's a fancy footwork to kick it over to his teammate. Saved by the goaltender who stayed with it on the redirect. Carries it across the line. Comes up with the steal.
It's hard not to take a chance when you're behind in the game. He turns that puck over, trying to make something out of nothing.
Team Denmark's got the puck along the boards. From the right side, he goes to the middle of the neutral zone. Airmails it over the net.
We got half of it right. He got rid of it quick, but he shot it too high. It's not even a shot on net.
Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Here in the back half of this period, it's a one-goal game here. 4-3 is where we sit. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Denmark's got control of it now from their own end. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Sends the pass over. Moves it quickly over to Christensen. And he slides it quickly to Christensen. Rocks him. Trying to shake the defender. All alone. Sends it over. Scores! Clinical!
The chance was there, and he was on his horse. He was able to pull away from everybody on the breakaway, and it's a nice finish.
Team Czech Republic's latest goal now gives them a 2-goal lead here with just minutes remaining in this third.
It's a good place to be as you get into the last half of the period, but you want to melt these minutes away by playing aggressively.
Assisted by number 67.
Takes the feed at the back end. And that one's blocked.
2 minutes, 14 seconds.
And he slides it quickly to Faxa. And a smart heads-up read to come up with the puck. Quick feed to Christensen. Czech Republic's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Here's a short pass to Krejci. Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Taken by Krejci. And there's the save. Slides the puck over. And now it's Duronic. And now it's over to Faxa. Sends a pass over. Way too high.
Nobody's going to be able to block that unless they're way off target like his shot was.
And he puts it wide.
You have to get it on net here. You've got a great chance to score, and you don't even test the goalie.
Just slide to the net. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play. Team Czech Republic's offense, the story tonight as they lead it here in this third period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Czech Republic's got the puck. Now he takes it over the line and tries to make a diagonal pass to Pasternak. A chance in front! Stopped by the goaltender. Quick pass to Ronick. Big save by the goaltender once again. Czech Republic's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Denies him again! Here in the late going of the frame, while fans being treated to some offensive fireworks, it's a 5-3 game. Hurdles won the draw here in the offensive zone. Gets it to the other point. Now a quick pass to Ronick. From the boards, he takes that pass. Quick snap! Stopped by the goaltender.
Dead center, excellent save.
Wide of the net.
Got to get it on the net. I know he's trying to be perfect with it, but it's a scoring chance that seems like a missed attempt.
Oh, he'll be regretting that one.
You put this kind of pressure on, eventually they can't chase you anymore. Now he's got room to carry the puck.
Grabbed along the boards by Verona. Team Denmark's got a hold of it along the wall. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Back at the point, they set it up. Misses just up and over. And now he moves it quickly to Ehlers. Nice save by the goaltender to get a pad on that. Move to the middle. Save made by the goalie.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
Team Czech Republic's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Taken along the wall by Kempny. Brings the puck into the offensive end now.
Oh, he laid a salt.
Scores! 3 is the magic number.
Man, that goalie is getting just torched down there. 3 in a row here. This shot beats him clean here, but he doesn't see it. I think he's got to work a little harder. There's only one person in front of the net. He shouldn't be screened so completely.
Czech Republic's goal-scoring abilities have been on full display so far this evening and here in the third.
Really impressive display. They've moved the puck well skated, really forecheck. Well, there's really nothing they haven't done tonight.
Handles the puck. Puck scooped up by Nielsen. Drills him. Pokes it away in his own end. That's a big-time hit along the wall.
It is, James. I love the way he used the angle. He took away all the ice.
Takes a shot, and a beautiful stop by the glove.
We'll get a look at that crushing hit again. Right along the board. He finishes right through the player.
Team Czech Republic's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Offense's own face-off, and he wins the draw. Denied by the defender. Denmark's got the puck in their own end. Team Denmark's got the puck in the defensive end. They've got the defense outnumbered. Sends it across. Hammers a shot. Big-time stop. Picked up along the wall by Russell. Moves it to Nielsen. Oh, and another big stop.
Right from the most dangerous area on the ice. The goalie flashes the glove. That's an arrogant stop.
Czech Republic's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Frolik's got it across the line. And he loses both the puck and his balance after that hit. Takes the puck along the boards. What a great read, breaking up the pass.
Hey, buddy, you got the lead. Play safe.
On the attack along the boards. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. And he comes up with it. Team Czech Republic's got a hold of it against the wall. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Moved in front. Stopped by the goaltender. Again, the denial by the goaltender. Czech Republic's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and lead it big time late in this third period. Jensen's won the faceoff. Tries to get it to Jensen. Final buzzer sounds, and this one's in the books.
Every once in a while, everything comes together for a complete victory, and I felt that's what happened tonight. They had the puck, they shot the puck, they got it back, they shot it again. Really a dominating performance.
You know, I know people like to point the finger at goaltenders when they give up lots of goals, but in this case, it's hard to blame him with the amount of offense that he was seeing there.
Well, there's no way he's going to be able to hold the door shut. That was domination.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. We'll see you next time we drop the puck.
Yow, 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 yow. Uh-huh, uh-huh.